Over the years, the Toyota Corolla has successfully maintained Toyota's illustrious reliability reputation, despite being on the market for more than 50 years. The Corolla is still a very popular choice in its category. The vehicle had a number of problems in the recent past, but the number of incidents has significantly decreased with the most recent model. The Corolla experienced some unacceptable problems in previous model years, including issues with its drivetrain and cruise control. Toyota's most recent model, though, appears to have fixed the issue. The Toyota Corolla, which is currently in its 12th generation, is fiercely rivaled by vehicles like the Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, and Mazda 3, since the Toyota Corolla offers an impressive array of contemporary features at a competitive price. Its flaws are somewhat significant. Below is a detailed list of the main issues of the 2022 Toyota Corolla. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine stalling. The main cause of this problem, which started to affect several Corolla models in the 2018 model year and on, was a malfunctioning fuel pump. According to reports, the engine would abruptly stall while driving, and in some cases, it would shake before stalling. Windshield cracks. A few owners complained about the windshield randomly cracking without any outside force. The reports state that the incidents took place while the cars were overnight parking. Electrical failures. There have been a few reports of complete electrical system failure. The main issue was that the affected model's entire electronics sometimes failed, causing an engine stall. Cruise control failure. Even the 2017 model year of the Toyota Corolla had this issue, and some people also had complaints about it for the more recent 2021 model year. The report stated that the engine would start spinning at high RPM while traveling down a slope with a particular speed set on the cruise control. The reports also stated that the issues did not exist when the cruise control system was turned off. Misaligned headlights. Regarding this problem, a few complaints have been made about the 2019 Toyota Corolla. The owners claimed that the headlamps probably don't provide enough lighting while driving at night due to a design flaw. The problems persisted despite numerous dealership attempts to realign the headlights. Brake failure. Braking system problems were reported with a number of Corolla models. The issue was widespread among Corollas from the 11th generation model, but it has been resolved with the release of the 12th generation model. The brakes failed in emergency situations or in everyday driving situations, according to all the significant complaints. Airbags failing to deploy. There have been complaints about the complete failure of the airbags in a number of Toyota Corolla models. According to the reports, the front passenger and driver side airbags did not deploy even though some of the cars were in head-on collisions. From the Corolla's 12th generation onward, complaints sharply decreased. Recalls. Because of the numerous problems it ran into, the Toyota Corolla has been recalled on a number of occasions. According to the list of Corolla recalls, the majority of the issues reported were fixed, but some of them weren't. The cruise control system problems were a significant and ongoing issue that the brand ignored until they were resolved on the most recent 12th gen model. You can now see a list of all recent recalls on your screen. Should you buy? A used Toyota Corolla isn't comparable if you're looking for a cheap vehicle with excellent reliability and fuel efficiency. The fact that the affected models are relatively few in comparison to the large number of the car's sales may serve to obscure the car's occasional encounters with issues like the CVT problem and the cruise control issue. Finally, we can state that a used 2022 Corolla would be a fantastic option given its insignificant number of complaints and that appealing design.